Recruitment automation is one of the most lucrative spaces in automation because you're taking an historically highly manual process in operation and automating it, solving a huge pain point for recruiters and companies. And like any other niche, the best way to stand out is through differentiation. And now for the first time, there's another huge pain point that you can solve in Make.com. And that is fake candidates. It is a huge problem in recruitment. In fact, fake candidates, it's estimated that they cost up to $600 billion a year. And one bad hire can cost a company up to $240,000. Now, the module that we're going to go through today is one that I actually built myself as somebody who's been in recruitment and has felt this pain of fake candidates. And it's hot off the presses, so it's something that you can use today to immediately differentiate yourself within the world of recruitment automation. It's something that you can add to the workflow that we covered in our last video. But today I'm going to show you how you can just simply, spot red flags on resumes through a very simple workflow and automation. Taking a resume from Dropbox and uploading a report back to Dropbox. So if you're ready to look for ways that you can differentiate your automations for recruitment, then grab your coffee or your drink of choice and meet me at the computer. Okay, so here we are at the computer and I'm just in Make.com. And so what we're going to do, just want to show you where you're going to find this new module. It's actually called Verify. So I'm just going to show you, you're going to start a new scenario, whatever. We go into verify by, and it says analyze a resume to detect red flags with the Verify API, right? So that's pretty much it. Like you just kind of add this in and you can drop it into any scenario that you have. But I'm just going to go back home here because what we have instead is an actual template just so that I can show you how it works. And instead of having to rebuild a full workflow, but you could use even the workflow that we built in the last video right here and drop this in where it makes sense, probably early on in when the resume comes in. Okay, so here we are. This is just a template that I have. This will be linked in the description below. So it's available in the templates anyway. But where we're going to do is go from Dropbox to Verify. So make sure you create your connection. I've already got one. It's super simple to connect. Then the download file has to go through tools because it doesn't go cleanly into Verify. It's data. Anyway, to connect your Verify, you need to go into the developer dashboard and get an API key, but it's super simple. You can either sign up or log in here. Link in the description below again. So just log in. And here we go. You can see your usage here, how many credits you have. API keys, you're going to have to generate a new API key, but you will have to go into billing. Just put in a buck and then you'll have a bunch. So you need to generate a new API key. So you copy it now because you will not be able to see it again like any other API key. They're kept very, very safe. And here we go. We just paste it in here into this field. And this will create your connection. We're going to map the text from the tools, which is already done because it's in the template. And then again, make sure you have your connection here for Dropbox. We're just going to map it back to Verify, and we have this report HTML. And we're going to pop in a quick save. And then what you can do is just click run once. Oh, that's quick. Verify only takes a few seconds, really. And there it is. So now it's uploading to Dropbox, and now we can go into Dropbox, look at the report, and here it is. Now I used a fake resume anyway, but here you go. You'll be able to see the full thing, the full report in a decent looking report. But if you wanted to map it to something else, then here are the outputs that you can have, like the risk level. You can map this all to like a Google Sheet or Airtable or whatever you have. All of these different fields, of course, are mappable. The report HTML is what we mapped back into Dropbox. So if you want a prettier thing, but this will tell you exactly why. And what this does is it helps the recruiter be in control and make the decision. So there you have it. It's simply one module that you can just add in, drop into any of your recruitment automations. And this way you can surface any resume red flags for your recruitment clients, or if you are a recruiter, for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, happy automating.